To receive instant notification each time I upload, please hit the subscribe button and the bell notification. Thank you. Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis hired an alleged romantic partner to prosecute Donald Trump and financially benefited from their relationship, according to a court motion filed Monday, which argued the criminal charges in the case were unconstitutional. The bombshell public filing alleged the special prosecutor Nathan Wade, a private attorney, paid for lavish vacations that he took with Willis using the Fulton County funds his law firm received. County records show that Wade, who has played a prominent role in the election interference case, has been paid nearly $654,000 in legal fees since January of 22, and the DA authorizes his compensation. The motion, filed on behalf of a defendant, Michael Roman, a former Trump campaign official, seeks to have the charges against Roman dismissed and for Willis, Wade, and the entire DA's office to be disqualified from further prosecution of the case. Pallavi Bailey is Willis's spokeswoman, and she said the DA's office will respond to Roman's allegations, quote, through appropriate court filings, close quote. Wade did not immediately respond to a request for comment. The document offers no concrete proof of the romantic ties between Willis and Wade, but says, quote, sources close to both the special prosecutor and the district attorney have confirmed that they have had an ongoing personal relationship, close quote. Roman's lawyer, Ashley Merchant, said that she reviewed case files in Wade's ongoing divorce proceeding at the Superior Court Clerk's office and made copies of certain documents, but the case file was later improperly sealed because no court hearing was held as required by law, the motion said. Because the case remains under seal, Merchant said she's not sharing the information that she obtained from the divorce file until the seal is lifted. She also said that she's asking the judge to unseal the case file. It's unclear if the explosive issues raised in the filing undermine the validity of the indictment against Trump and the remaining 14 co-defendants, or simply muddy the waters by questioning Willis's professional ethics. The filing alleges that Willis and Wade have been involved in a romantic relationship that began before Wade was appointed special prosecutor. It says they traveled together to Napa Valley, Florida, and they've also cruised the Caribbean together using tickets that Wade purchased from Norwegian and Royal Caribbean cruise lines, although the filing did not include documentation of those purchases. The motion said the checks sent to Wade from Fulton County and his subsequent purchase of vacations for Willis could amount to honest service fraud, a federal crime in which the vendor gets kickbacks from an employer. It is also possible this could be prosecuted under the federal racketeering statute, the motion said. Merchant wrote that the motion is not filed lightly, nor is it being filed without considerable forethought, research, and investigation, close quote. But the issue had to be raised and must be heard because the issues, quote, strike at the heart of fairness in our justice system, and if left unaddressed and unchecked, they threaten to taint the entire prosecution of this case, invite error, and completely undermine public confidence in any outcome in this proceeding, close quote. Willis and Wade, the motion contends, have been engaged in an improper clandestine personal relationship during the pendency of this case, which has resulted in the special prosecutor and in turn the district attorney profiting significantly from this prosecution at the expense of taxpayers, close quote. A problem with Wade's appointment is that it was not approved by the Fulton County Board of Commissioners as required by law, the motion said. Wade entered into his special prosecutor contract on November 1st, 2021, just one day before he filed for divorce in Cobb County, the motion said. Willis is now divorced. This is Felicia Lockhart, and this has been the Lockhart News Brief.